Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Gone Fishing. It's not too windy today. It's actually pretty nice and huge overcast. So I think the fishing is going to be awesome today. We're going to be going to City Marina. We're going to be leaving out of the dock and we'll be going to Little River. We're going to be trying for bass, maybe a pike. If the water's nice, guys, we might try Peche Island also for bass. So stay tuned and we'll get back to you once we hit City Marina. All right, guys, we made it to City Marina. We're gonna head over to Peche. We're gonna try for bass, pike, and we might even try the one end of Peche, the east end, for smallies. So let's get the kayak ready and we'll start fishing. We're just crossing over City Marina to Peche Island. We should be there in about 2 minutes. Trolling motor. Don't have to do no work. See those kayakers over there? They look like they're struggling. But we're gonna get some bass and pike fishing. Let's go. There we go, guys. There we go. Feels like a small little bass. You never know though. Probably could swim towards me. Yeah, small little bass. There we go, guys. Small little bass. Get in the net. Peche Island, guys. Largemouth bass. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Come here, buddy. Come here. Look at that, guys. That is freaking awesome. Peche Island largemouth bass. Here we go, guys. There we go. Nice little largie on the black spinner bait, right in the seaweed, right in the lily pads. All right, let's let him go. First one. See ya, buddy. That's awesome. There we go, guys. There we go. Another bass. There we go, guys. Oh, it's a nice little fight too. Nice little fight, this little guy. Come on. There we go, guys. Get in the net. It's hard to net this side. There we go. Come here, buddy. Come to pop up. Come to pop up. There we go. Come here, buddy. Come to pop up. Come to pop up. Hell yeah. Number 2, 10 minutes of fishing, guys. Look at that. Oh, wow, he was barely hooked. There we go. All right. Let's get this little guy back and see if we can catch some 4-pounders like last time. Nice little fish. All right. Let's get him back.
Music licensing.
See ya, buddy. Awesome. I wouldn't mind a nice little pike. Oh, guys. We got hit again. There he is, guys. There he is. There he is. That was a different one. He came back and hit it. It's another good fighters in here, man. Get in there. Oh, that's a nice bass, guys. Wow, Peche Island's producing today, boys. She is producing today. Come here, buddy. Peche Island is producing today. That's a nice freaking bass, man. Wow. That is a beautiful fish. He destroyed it. Wow. What a beautiful fish. Look at that. I'm gonna take a picture with this guy. That's a nice fish, man. Wow. Once I put that white spinner bait on, they started doing great. Come on, buddy. You want to take pictures? There you go. Alright, let's throw him back. Beautiful fish. See ya, buddy. Awesome. Oh, that's a big pike, guys. Did you see him go after that? Oh, wow. Oh, I lost him. Son of a... Did you see that? Wow. That pike came out of nowhere.
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go, guys. There we go. Got him in the weeds, boys. Got him in the weeds. Oh, I wasn't recording. There we go, guys. This guy was just sitting right in the weeds there, buddy. Nice little fish. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice bass. There we go. These fish fight hard out here, Peche Island.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, let's get him back. Little guy. See ya, buddy. Awesome. Alright, guys, that's going to end another episode of Gone Fishing. Went to Peche, and we had fun. It was actually really fun. But I don't know if you guys can see, it's starting to rain. They weren't calling for no rain, but it's starting to rain, so I'm going to head in before it gets maybe too dangerous. So